Hello lovelies, I'm really excited today because I'm collaborating with IKEA and I love IKEA. Who doesn't love IKEA? Honestly, they've got the cutest things. And you know what? They have a Swedish food market which is amazing. So I don't know, you probably know the meatballs and the salmon, but I'm gonna show you how you can make a Mocha Umm Ali with IKEA ingredients. So let's get cooking. So I love IKEA coffee, and I usually get this one or another pack. And then I noticed they had a bunch of other ones, so I tried them, and I'm gonna put them in my Umm Ali with, so best kept secret, and I'm really not just saying this, honestly, if I wouldn't like it, you know I wouldn't be saying this. Their chocolate is really good. So we're gonna put pieces of chocolate in our Umm Ali. They've got some beautiful nuts, really good, nice and salty, not too salty. So we're gonna put these as well. And then I love crepes and I love pancakes. And then there is Swedish pancakes. So I don't know if you've had Swedish pancakes, but they're a little bit thicker than crepes and they're maybe a little bit sweeter because they have like more dough so you can feel the sugar more. They're really good. It's in the frozen section. So this is how they look like when you take them out of the pack. And you can cook them or bake them as per instructions, but I just took them out of the freezer bag and I let them thaw. So you will see, really quick recipe. So let's get cracking. So we're gonna start with the eggs, 2 eggs, crack them in a bowl. So we're going to just beat the eggs. Then you have condensed milk. Whisk. Now you can use vanilla extract or almond extract. I've got almond extract here. Coffee, because it's a mocha chocolate Umm Ali. So I brewed some coffee. This smells so good already. Then just a pinch of salt. Milk, so full fat milk. If you want to go really naughty, you can even put cream. And then shredded coconut. Yum. Now we're going to take a baking dish and we're going to layer our crepes. So now I have one layer. I'm going to pour a little bit of our mixture. That smells so good. So I'm using dark chocolate, IKEA's dark chocolate, and it's organic. It's really yummy. And don't chop it up too small because you know you want some of that melted chocolate in there. We're even gonna put a little bit of the nuts. So depending on how you like your Umm Ali, if you like it dense or like really liquidy, that's the amount of Swedish pancakes you gotta put in there. Because my sister, likes it really runny, and I like it like a little bit more, you know, when it gets like a little denser. So I'm going to do, what am I gonna do today? I think a little bit of an in-between. So next thing, we just top it with the nuts. Don't put too much nuts in the layers because it will dry it out. Mocha Umm Ali, so easy to make. I feel like I cheated today, but so good, so easy. Please try this recipe at home and let me know what you think.